You don't have to delete entire conversations to reclaim space. Start by heading to Settings, greater than Messages, greater than Keep Messages, and choose a shorter retention period, like 30 days or 1 year instead of forever. This way, your iPhone will automatically clear out older content without you having to do anything. Better yet, go to Settings greater than General greater than iPhone Storage greater than Messages to view large attachments sorted by size. From there, you can manually delete bloated media files while keeping your actual message threads intact. Likewise, tidy up your browser's data. Every time you visit a website, your browser stores cache files, cookies, and history to help pages load faster the next time. Eventually, all that stored data becomes dead weight. In Safari, go to Settings greater than Safari greater than Clear History and Website Data. This removes cache files and history, but keeps your saved passwords and autofill data. For more precision, tap Advanced greater than Website Data to view and selectively delete data from specific websites. For Chrome and other browsers, open the app, navigate to Settings or Privacy, and look for options to clear browsing data. Be sure to leave saved logins unchecked if you don't want to re-enter passwords. Offline downloads can take up space long after you stop watching or listening to them. It's easy to forget how many playlists, episodes, or shows you saved for a flight or commute and never bother to delete. Start with the usual suspects: Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, Netflix, and your favorite podcast app. Most of them have a download section where you can quickly see what's taking up room. If it's something you've already listened to or watched, or you're probably not going to get to anytime soon, go ahead and delete it. You can always stream it again later if you change your mind. For now, this is about clearing space without giving anything up. To enable automatic offloading, go to Settings greater than App Store and turn on Offload Unused Apps. For more control, visit Settings greater than General greater than iPhone Storage, tap an app you rarely use, and select Offload App. This small change can often free up gigabytes of space without removing anything. When you offload an app, your iPhone removes the app itself, but keeps your data and documents. If you reinstall it later, everything is just as you left it, no lost logins or reset settings. If you've tried everything else and still need more room, it might be time to move your media to the cloud. Photos and videos are among the biggest storage hogs on any iPhone. Turn on iCloud Photos and enable Optimized iPhone storage to store full-resolution versions in the cloud while keeping lightweight copies on your device. When you open a photo, your iPhone quickly fetches the high-quality version from iCloud if needed. To set this up, go to Settings greater than Photos, enable iCloud Photos, and check Optimize iPhone Storage. If you have a large library, you can see gigabytes freed up in just a few days. To set this up, go to Settings greater than Photos, enable iCloud Photos, and check Optimize iPhone Storage. If you have a large library, you could see gigabytes freed up in just a few days. If you're low on iCloud space, even the 50 gigabytes plan, which costs less than a cup of coffee each month, can make a big difference. You can also use iCloud alternatives like Google Photos, Dropbox, or OneDrive. All offer automatic background uploads and work well as backups.